Good morning. Myself is Dr. Skathivel. Today we will discuss about what is Industry 4. So what is Industry 4? This is the concept related to the fourth industrial revolution. So there will be a revolution which has been started from first, second, and third and fourth. So this is the industrial revolution which has happened in the 1991 globalization liberalization. So after that, which has been more effect in the year of 2000. So mainly the automated system which has been embedded in the manufacturing industries. So this associated with the advancement of cyber physical system. So here the physical system has been used for in manufacturing industry. The cyber has been integrated with physical system. So that's why the process has been controlled as well as decision making has been properly taken in right time. It describes the rise of automated system and data exchange technology within the manufacturing industry. So some of the example for this one is Internet of Things and industrial Internet of Things. Then finally the artificial intelligence. So other than this, many more things will be available under the Industry 4. But thing is that this three is the most relevant for the Industry 4, mostly used systems in manufacturing industry. Thank you.